Good morning, happy homeowners. Sunday morning. Yes, Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Back in Hancock Park, still working. Yes, sometimes on Sundays we work. Let's see, turn this around so I don't trip. Yeah, these people have moved out of the house, so we haven't worked on these steps yet. We'll get to them today, maybe tomorrow, but we are getting there. We can't take no days off. We got to get this finished so they can move back in. Boy, what a difference, right? From that brown to this bright light natural. And that's what it will end up looking like once it's completely finished. Puttying up some gaps. But we're getting there. If you're watching this video, you got some questions, just hit us up on the messenger. We'll answer them all. If you want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, let me know. We'll get that to you. Look at that. Beautiful. So, all right, let's, crazy hallway. Let's make some noise, wake some people up. Enjoy your Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. Get outside.